everybody, welcome back to our channel. As you guys can tell by the title, this video is gonna be interesting. Ramcis and I are about to make 1 year officially being together. There are 4 parts to our 1 year anniversary surprise. For the first surprise, I already did it in private with him. I gave him a GoPro and I said, here, you can shoot your videos for when you do parkour or calisthenics. And that's what he thinks that it's for. Little does he know, the GoPro is actually for part 3 of the surprise. I am not gonna be talking about part 3 right now because you guys are gonna find out at the very end of this video. So continue to watch this and make sure to hit that like button as well. I will wait. Is it done? Awesome. Tomorrow is the surprise helicopter ride. I'm filming this right now because it started today. Today I had some flowers delivered to his house. The card had like a special note on it and I put, because men deserve flowers too, and make sure you're ready by 2 p.m. tomorrow. I am renting a car so that we can head to the location for the helicopter ride. The helicopter ride will be at sunset and it's going to be around New York City. And in the middle of the ride, I will be presenting him with part 3 of our 1 year anniversary surprise. I know that I'm the one surprising him and it's our 1 year anniversary, but I love surprising people. And the 4th part of the surprise, you guys are going to find out about that one later on. So make sure that you guys hit that subscribe button and make sure you join the RNG family because you know what? Our adventures are going to be awesome. Make sure you guys share this video with friends, family. For those of you guys that have boyfriends and girlfriends right now, make sure you guys send them this video too so that you can let them know what's up. Just show them this video and be like, hey, just so you know, I love this kind of stuff, you know? So that you can give them like a little hint. Make sure you let them know that you love surprises too. Maybe they can do something like this for you guys as well. Make sure that you guys are tuned in all the way because I am going to be recording every single bit of this surprise from beginning to end. He doesn't even know what he has coming for him. Message to my ladies. Guys love this kind of stuff too. Make sure you guys are doing this for them. Don't just sit around and expect it from them. You can do it for yourself and for him as well. People be thinking that the guy has to be the one to do the surprises. The guy has to be the one to give the girl the flowers. Don't think like that. Make sure you give your man some flowers, some chocolate, whatever he likes to eat. Do a little surprise for him once in a while, you know what I mean? Guys love this stuff just as much as we do. So make sure you guys are doing your part too and don't just sit around and expect the guy to do all of it. Stay tuned and make sure to watch the rest of this video for the helicopter ride. Hey guys, I just got to his house and I want to show you guys the flowers that I got him for the beginning of part 2 of the surprise. So I tried to get like a manly type of color, some blues, yellows, greens. Hey baby, what are you doing? Oh my god. I got him these really nice flowers and a little card. And the card says, just because men deserve flowers too, be ready by 2 p.m. tomorrow and be ready to try the best food you ever have. Your future wife, Giselle. Yes, sir. Hi, baby. So something happened earlier when I was on the train on my way here where I got an email and the email said that the reservations got canceled because of a whole issue that I'm going to be talking about later because I can't say it right now in front of this one. It got canceled, so I literally had to hop on a call and now the reservations got pushed to Tuesday. Hi. I'm kind of bummed out, but you know it's gonna still be amazing and yeah. He still has no idea what it is.
How do you like it now?
I'm I'm hungry. Let's go. You're not recording, right?
No, I'm not recording.
Today is the day. It is Tuesday, August 11th. Originally, I had this planned for August 9th, which was 2 days ago, but everything got canceled and rescheduled because Donald Trump was in the New York City area, and apparently they cannot fly helicopters when he's around the tri-state area. Today is the day that he finds out everything, but he does not know about surprise number 4, and neither do you guys. So make sure that you guys are subscribed to our channel and join the RNG family because it's going to be awesome. Let's take a pause real quick. I want to talk about this hat that I am currently wearing. It is from Pump It by Kai. They are my all-time favorite athletic apparel brand. Not only are they comfortable, they actually fit me. I can actually work out in them, and it's breathable material. And they just came out with beautiful colors. I'm gonna place a link to their website down below. Make sure you guys check out what else they have other than this awesome cap. But in the middle of the helicopter ride, I'm actually going to give him these 2 things. First, I'm gonna give him this little pineapple, and in the back of it, it's actually a luggage tag. And it has all his information and stuff, but it's a luggage tag. After I give him that, I'm going to give him this little note that says California. And then I'm gonna tell him we're going to Cali. I'm calling that that's gonna be his reaction. And then he's gonna look out into the distance like this. Like just smiling into the distance. Honestly, after this whole 1-year anniversary surprise, we're gonna go off. We're gonna have so much awesome content for you guys. Because I know that, again, we took a huge break off of this, and we're slowly getting back into it now. We've just been so busy. But just stay tuned for our journey.
You know what I mean?
No.
Like, if it is food, like you're taking me somewhere to eat today, then I have no idea. But if you're gonna be like, psych, you know what I mean? Like, and switch it up on me, and it was a whole different thing from the beginning, then I would know.
Oh, no, we're actually...
Okay, okay. Oh,
what? Oh.
I'm just saying.
Make a left.
Where?
Maybe. Okay, just go.
Bro, like, you see what I'm hearing?
Oh.
This is why I have Siri.
And he still doesn't know pretty much anything, but almost there. He thinks we're eating rocks.
There's only rocks around here, bro. Talking about, oh my god, we're gonna feast today.
Have you figured anything out yet?
I thought it was in the break.
Have you figured anything out yet? What do you mean?
We'll see.
Okay, alright, thank you.
No problem.
Then he said,
It was pretty deep. It was like more than this.
if we go straight, he said we're gonna find the facility. Yeah, go
What's
straight.
it called though?
We're gonna find out when we get there.
Park somewhere?
Welcome to Fly Nile.
What's that?
We're gonna go in a little...
Flight 9, the helicopter thing?
Yeah.
Really? Where is it though?
You missed it.
You're over here explaining to me. That's why I
I'm
missed
sorry. You make the U-turn. He got excited. He kept driving. And you missed the parking lot.
This? Jersey, and then she's nursing her fit.
Giselle and Ramcis, right?
Yes.
You guys excited?
Yeah.
You guys just made it too.
I know. I called earlier. I was like, I don't know if we're going to get time.
Alright, Giselle, you can step on the scale. I'm going to take the next. So once you step the scale, you can step on it. So you guys complete. Thank you.
Now we just wait?
Yeah. Did you fill it out? Yeah. Now you have to fill out like these liability consent forms. It's really bad. I really need my phone.
Thank you, miss.
You're welcome.
Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Take off your mask.
What? I can't take it
I want
off.
to see your smile.
No, I can't, baby.
Let me see real quick. Real quick. Real quick. Real
Regulation.
quick.
Seatbelt that goes like this. This hooks in. What does this enable you to do? Enables you to move around, take pictures and stuff like that. So 2 safety things, super, all good. That's what we care about. But this is all.
That's so cool.
Are you excited?
Take a shot, throw them on the gentleman, and take the picture in the background, okay?
Awesome.
Have fun, guys.
Thank you. That's gonna be his reaction. And then he's gonna look out into the distance like this.